In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Jotform versus Google Forms, a full comparison. We'll dive into the distinct characteristics and features of each platform, helping you determine which one aligns best with your needs. Let's kick things off by talking about pricing. Jotform offers a free plan, although it does come with some limitations. For users needing more, there are paid plans available: bronze, silver, gold, and even enterprise options, catering to a variety of demands. On the other hand, Google Forms is entirely free. All you need is a Google account to access its full capability, making it a cost-effective choice for many. Moving on to customization, Jotform really shines in this category. It offers high levels of customization with various themes, layouts, branding capabilities, and even CSS styling, allowing you to tailor your forms to your exact specifications. Google Forms, meanwhile, is somewhat limited. It offers basic styling options such as changing colors or adding a header image, which might not suit users looking for a more personalized touch. Logic and functionality are crucial aspects to consider. Jotform provides advanced conditional logic, calculations, and workflows, permitting a comprehensive and dynamic form creation experience. In contrast, Google Forms offers basic skip logic, which allows questions to branch into different sections but lacks the depth of Jotform's logic capabilities. Now, if you need to collect payments or signatures directly through your form, Jotform is well equipped with built-in payment processing options like PayPal and Stripe, plus e-signature capabilities. Google Forms doesn't natively support payments or e-signatures, so it might fall short if you're looking to monetize your forms directly. When we look at integrations, Jotform again stands out with numerous possibilities, from CRMs and cloud storage integrations to extensive API and webhook support, making it adaptable for more complex setups. Google Forms seamlessly fits within the Google Workspace ecosystem, working well with Sheets, Drive, and Gmail, which can be beneficial for existing Google users. As for templates, Jotform offers an impressive library of over 10,000 templates suitable for a variety of purposes such as business, events, and more. Google Forms, however, provides just a handful of basic templates, which could be somewhat limiting depending on your needs. Discussing reporting, Jotform delivers with custom reports, dashboards, and analytics to help you interpret your data effectively. Google Forms provides more basic visualizations through charts and summaries within Google Sheets, which might be sufficient for simpler data analysis. Finally, considering ease of use, Jotform, with its rich feature set, can require a bit more setup time, but offers expansive capabilities. Google Forms is extremely simple and fast to use, making it ideal for users seeking efficiency over comprehensive customization. To sum up, choose Jotform if you need branded forms, payment integrations, e-signatures, advanced logic, or business workflows. Opt for Google Forms if you require a quick, free, and simple tool for surveys, quizzes, or basic data collection. Each tool has unique strengths designed to cater to different user needs. Selecting the right one depends on what you prioritize most in your form creation endeavors.